get it, sis? Woohoo! Woohoo! He's a maniac. She thinks you're silly. Now you take it nice and easy. Did you get it? Yay!
What are you doing?
Nothing. What are you doing? Ooh, Sissy, it tastes good. No. No. Mm-mm.
I hit them.
Too rough. No, honey, that's water. You hit baseballs with the bat. No. Okay, look, you just hit that thing and knocked the sign down. Relax.
I want the stove.
No. Why don't you sit next to Harper and we'll make a movie?
What's that movie?
One of these movies. Sit down. Why don't you do okay?
Okay. Here you go. I see.
It's not even over yet. Yeah.
Mom, I'm going to
You made it, sis.